Okay, I hope you can hear me. So the next version has very different code. I mean, the functionality is the same, but the code has been refined. It's more functional, as in people who do codes, they would know instead of longer lines, it's got shorter lines. It calls functions most of the time. That seems to have some very good effects on speed. But what I want to show you here is the offset buy and offset buy stop loss in these levels. These are in pips. Pay attention to these lines. So this is 1 pip above the high, 1 pip below. This is 1 pip above the high. This. So if I change buy offset, check this here. It's gone by 3 pips now. See? And that affects the target point as well, because the target point is the calculation of this line and this line multiplied by. Stop loss is a different issue. So if we change the stop loss, this line will drop by another pip. Yeah. And one more. Here we go. So we got 1 pip offset for buy stop loss and 1 for buy pending order. We can do the same with the offset sell PO. So it's going to change this line to 2 pips, obviously affecting the target point. If we change stop loss, it's going to be 2 pip above. There you go. So now if you want to have, let's say I have a 1.5 pip spread and I want to have a buffer of 2. So you can say, okay, I'm going to check if it works with 2 buffer here. And then I can go and change the target point to, let's say, 0.4. And this will affect the target point only, hopefully. Looks like it didn't affect it. Hold on. Oh, we're using pips, sorry. So, oh, that's another feature. You could use pips for target point. So here's it. Let's make it 4 pips. There we go. Profit factor is good. Let's stop using UsePips. It will automatically be using these. Let's see if we change that to 5, what happens? The target point changes. If I change the PO for the buy, it changes. PO for the sell. Stop loss. Let's suppose I say offset sell PO by 0. Does it work? Or does it become a 0 multiple? No, it works. It's pretty good. And that's exactly how I like it. I've always had my orders just before the low, just below the low for sell orders, and the other way around for buy stop loss. So I don't want to wait 1 more pip. If price goes below it, I can be out. But we can find out whatever works for whichever instrument, and then we can go with that. And you would have noticed that if we change UsePips as take profit and we go for 5 pips, that seems to have pretty good results, specifically if you have an offset there. Now this is interesting, isn't it? We have an offset of 1 pip above and below, below stop loss for buy order, and 1 pip below for sell order as well, and stop loss offset of, let's say, 2 pips for sell order, and buy offset 2 pips for buy order, and the profit factor seems to be pretty good.